Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, December 30, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, December 30, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong December 30, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, December 30, 2023. Tonight's jackpot prize of Lotto 642 is 100 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 578 million pesos for December 30, 2023 Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, December 30, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.